Good morning! Walking tayo guys. One hour walking. Yan, exercise na rin namin to. Let's go, Lexi! Wala pa yung mga kasama namin. Hindi pa sila lumabas, so kami lang muna ni Lexi ngayon. Let's go! Hello sa lahat. Salamat po sa mga support nyo dyan. Yan po ang aking alaga, Shiba Inu. Let's go! Tara guys, walking tayo, exercise. Pantanggal lang mga taba-taba. Tanggalin natin ang mga kolesterol sa ating katawan. Ganon. Ito ang kagandahan guys kapag may alaga kang aso. So 3 times a day walking, exercise na rin. Hindi naman siya mahirap alagaan kasi nakakaintindi na. At ayun, madali na lang sa kanya kapag gusto niya magwiwi or magpupo, sasabihin niya yan, tumatahol. Alam niya din kung anong oras kami lalabas. Alam niya rin kung ano na yung mga friends niya. Ayan. So, kakatapos lang ng breakfast namin. Kaya, walking na. Actually, itong aso ko, hindi ko siya pwedeng i-off-leash kasi kapag na-off-leash na yan, ako, wala na, di ko na makukuha. Lahi niya kasi is hunter. Hunter dog kasi to eh. Let's go, let's go.
Ay.
Ang cute niya maglakad, no? Napaka-sexy niya maglakad. So, dito kami naglalakad usually kasi mas safe. Kundi lang yung mga sasakyan na dumaraan. Galing kami doon. Tapos pababa. Magwiwi na yan. Sorry, magwiwi na yan. Sorry guys. Yan lang muna para din nyo makita. Pwede din. Ayun. Let's go! Yun, kitang-kita yung dagat doon. Come on. Iihi ulit. Hey, you don't want to pee? Okay, let's go. So yun, highway na kami. Yan yung daan papuntang dagat. Highway na. Gusto niya magdagat. Yun lang yung dagat na tatanaw lang. Deepwater Bay. Come on, let's go back. Come on, let's go back. Let's go. Ayaw niya. Let's go. Come on. Where are you going? Let's go. We're gonna go to the beach. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go back. Ayaw niya, guys. Okay. You want it here? Alright. Enough. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We need to go back. Come on. Come on. Ayaw niyang umuwi. Let's go. This way. cannot go to the beach, okay? Just here. Okay? Just stay here. Hey, we cannot go to the beach, alright? Just stay here. Dito kasi guys, hindi siya allowed dyan. Pero dun sa kabila, pwede, pero ang layo eh. So dito lang muna kami. Come on. Come on, let's go back. Okay? Let's go back now. Let's go back. Okay? Let's go. Come on. Ayaw niya talaga. Let's go. Hey, what happened to you, Lexi? Parang bata, no? Pag ayaw niya talaga. Okay? Are you okay now? Let's go now. Let's go back. Come on. Come on. Okay, let's go. Pipilitin ko umuwi. Let's go. Naughty. You're so naughty. Let's go. Come on. Good girl, okay? Ayaw. Come on. Uwi na kami. We're going home now, okay? Salamat guys. Salamat sa panonood. So say bye-bye now. Bye to them now. Thank you. Thank you, and have a nice day everyone. Salamat po.